So in this tutorial, we're going to do Hlookups, and Hlookups are not so used now because you've got XLOOKUP, but it's good to know how to formulate old formulas as well as the new ones. So let's get right into it. So Hlookup is a horizontal lookup. So we will be looking up the ranks and we will be returning the medal. So in this instance, we do equals Hlookup. You can press tab to autocomplete. The lookup value will be the rank, so that's E3, and then comma. The table array will be the whole table here. And the row index number is 2, highlighted yellow there because it's the second one on the row. And then we just want to return them in any order, so we do false or 0, and then we do enter. And as you can see, it has done that correctly. Now if you drag it down here, it won't be correct because it will bring this down as well. So what you want to do is you want to lock these cells, these ones here, and to do that you just do F4 and then press enter again. Now if I drag it down, it will work correctly. And there you have it, a quick way to assign medals and rankings. You can do this for any number of scenarios, data sets. You could use addresses, you could use countries, you could use many other things if your data is horizontally. Follow for more Excel tips. Peace.